derivative of parametric form of a function. Let x is a function of t and y is another function g of t, and you have to find dy by dx. So, and while x and y are not directly related to each other, t is the parameter. Both x and y are differentiable. Then you have to find dy by dx. So first find dx dt and then second dy by dt, and the formula is dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So t is the intermediate variable, t is the parameter. So we take some examples. Question 1. Find dy by dx if x equals to a cos theta and y equals to b sin y equals to b cos theta. Y equal to b cos theta, and you have to find dx by dt. So the first step, find dx by d theta and dy by d theta. So x equals to a cos theta, differentiate with respect to theta. So dx by d theta equals to a is the constant, keep as it is, and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus sin theta. Now find dy by d theta. Y equals to b cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So dy by d theta equals to b is constant and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Now second step is put the formula dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So dy by dx, put the value of dy by d theta, minus b sin theta, and dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. Solve, minus minus cancel. Cancel, and sin theta cancel. So dy by dx is b by a. This is the answer. Try some more questions. Question number 2. Question 2. If x equal to 80 square, x equals to 80 square and y equals to twice 80, then find dy by dx. Very clear. T is the parameter. There is no directly relation between x and y. Y is dependent and x is independent, but they are related to a third intermediate variable t. So t is the parameter. So first find dx by dt. So x equals to at square. Differentiate with respect to t. Dx by dt equals to a is the constant. Differentiation of t square is twice at. Twice t. Y equals to twice at square. Y equal to twice at. Differentiate with respect to t. Dy by dt equals to twice a constant. Differentiation of t is 1. Now put in the formula dy by dx equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dx equals to dy by dt twice a upon dx by dt twice at. Twice a cancel. So equals to 1 upon t is the answer. So nothing is new. One should know the basic formulas. Now question 3. If x and y are given terms of in parametric form, find dy by dx. If x equals to a cos theta, a into bracket cos theta plus theta sin theta, and y equals to a into bracket sin theta minus theta cos theta. Here theta is the parameter, intermediate variable. So find dx by d theta and dy by d theta. So x equals to a into bracket cos theta plus theta sin theta. Differentiate both the sides with respect to theta. So dx by d theta equals to a is the constant. The multiplication keep as it is. Now differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now here theta and sine theta, so product rule is applicable here. So apply the product rule. First differentiate theta. So theta, differentiation of theta with respect to theta is 1 and sine theta as it is, plus. Now keep theta as it is and differentiate sine theta. So is cos theta. Differentiation of sine theta is cos theta. Minus sine theta and plus sine theta cancel. So dx by d theta equals to a theta cos theta. Now find dy by d theta. Y equals to a into bracket sine theta minus theta cos theta. Differentiate both the sides with respect to theta. So dy by d theta equals to a as it is constant. Differentiation of sine theta is cos theta minus here again product rule. Theta, one is two functions, one is theta and the other is trigonometric function cos theta. So here is minus, so keep it in mind. So use a bracket. Now apply product rule. Differentiation of theta is 1 and keep cos theta as it is, plus theta as it is and differentiate cos theta is minus sine theta. So dy by d theta equals to a into bracket cos theta, now open the bracket, minus cos theta, and this minus and this minus becomes plus sine theta sine theta. Cos theta plus and cos theta minus cancel. Now put in the formula dy by dx equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Put the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to, put the value of dy by d theta. Dy by d theta is a theta sine theta upon dx by d theta a theta cos theta. A theta cos theta. A cancel, theta cancel. So dy by dx equals to sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Is the answer. Okay, so this is the parametric form.